All right, let's dive into a powerful force you deal with every single day, whether you're in the kitchen or just looking at the world around you. You might not have a name for it yet, but trust me, it shapes our world in some pretty amazing ways. So here's a question for you. Have you ever really thought about this? You tilt a glass of water and whoosh, it's out in a second. But a jar of honey? Yeah, that takes its sweet time, doesn't it? Well, that super simple observation is actually the key to a huge concept in physics. And the answer is a single word: viscosity. It's basically a measure of a fluid's internal friction. Think of it as how much its own molecules try to stick together and resist moving. So honey isn't just thick. The scientific way to say it is that it has high viscosity. If we could zoom all the way down to the molecular level, it's really all about connection. You see, in fluids with low viscosity, like water, the molecules are just kind of loosely hanging out. They slide past each other super easily. But in something like honey, oh no, those molecules are holding onto each other for dear life, and that creates a ton of internal resistance.
Okay, so is that it? Is a fluid's viscosity just set in stone, or is there a way we can actually change it?
Oh, absolutely. And the easiest way to do it is with temperature. When you heat up a liquid, you're basically giving its molecules a shot of energy. They start vibrating and zipping around way faster, and that lets them break free from those forces holding them together. The result? The viscosity drops and the liquid flows way more easily. It's exactly why cold syrup is a slow-moving blob, but warm syrup just glides right over your pancakes. So this whole viscosity thing explains why some liquids are runny and others are thick. Cool. But why does it really matter in the grand scheme of things? Well, it turns out its influence is everywhere, shaping our world in ways you probably never even thought about. Get this, viscosity is absolutely critical in so many different fields. In geology, the viscosity of lava is literally the difference between a volcano that flows gently and one that erupts in a massive explosion. In engineering, the motor oil in your car is designed with a very specific viscosity to protect the engine's parts from grinding together. And yep, even in the kitchen, it's the secret to getting a sauce to cling perfectly to your pasta or creating that perfectly smooth, creamy texture in ice cream.
See, viscosity isn't just some boring term in a textbook. It's a fundamental property that's shaping everything from gigantic volcanoes to your breakfast. It's this powerful force that's always in action, all around us. So next time you pour syrup on your pancakes, you're not just making breakfast, you're seeing physics in action.